Learn exactly how to get free API keys for every major AI model in 2026. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Groq, DeepSeek, and more, all through officially verified, completely legitimate free tier programs with no hidden billing. In this video, I show you the complete step-by-step process to get free AI API keys from every major provider actively offering them right now.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So in a first, just go to Google and search this featherless, and you will see a top website. Click on it, featherless.ai, and here you can see one API key instance access. So you don't need do anything, simply click on this profile icon. Sorry, I had already logged in my account. Let me open it in another profile so I can show you. Simply land featherless.ai website, and here you can see one API key instant access. Click on this sign up button. You can sign up with your Google, Hexfield, or Hugging Face, or GitHub, or Discord. I will use my Google account. Click on this sign up. Choose one Gmail account. If you had logged in multiple Gmail account, then click on this continue. And here you can see 100k remaining token, 100k output token included, access to all model, full API access, and the main important thing, this is only for 3 days. Here you can see 3 days remaining. So you need to create multiple account if you want to use it. So let's visit our home page. First, click on this model icon. Let's allow these cookies. Here you can see here a lot of models are available. Almost 1092 models are available. Here you can see. So select which model you want to use. I will suggest you to use, of course, trending model. Let's try this Minimax, and here you can see model is open. You can also use direct chat here, or you can use your API. Here you can see use via API, and here you can see curl, OpenAI SDK, Longchain, Light LLM, and Silly. So first we need to create API key. Just go to API key. Here you can see no API key yet. Click on this add new API key. Choose any random name to create API. Here you can see this is our API key. You don't need to do anything, simply click on this done. Now again go to model and choose one of the model, which model you want to use. Let's try this DeepSeek V4 Pro. Now simply click on this use via API, and here you can see uCurl URL, and this is our uCurl. Now let's type here anything. Hi. And here you can see reply. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest, and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.